In a major post-Brexit shift, the UK is to return to the flagship Horizon Europe Science Research Programme, Rishi Sunak has confirmed. The Prime Minister said that from Thursday, British scientists can apply once again for grants from the €85 billion programme, a move that will be welcomed with jubilation from the science community in the UK, which was one of the leading beneficiaries of the fund. The deal follows a call between Sunak and EU Commission President Ursula von der Leyen on September 6th. Confirming the pact, which comes after months of talks, Prime Minister Rishi Sunak claimed he had struck the right deal for the UK, unlocking unparalleled research opportunities and also the right deal for British taxpayers. In its own statement, European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen said, "The EU and UK are key strategic partners and allies, and today's agreement proves that point. We will continue to be at the forefront of global science and research." The UK will also join the EU's Copernicus Earth Observation Satellite Programme, which has been crucial in monitoring the summer's weather events, including wildfires across Europe. But the EU has agreed to UK's demand not to rejoin the Euratom programme. The UK will instead pursue a domestic fusion energy strategy. So, what is the Horizon Science Scheme? Horizon is a European Union scheme that funds research projects which the UK says it has been excluded from for the past 3 years following Brexit. This program funds research, nuclear regulator Euratom and the Copernicus Satellite Monitoring Group. Under the deal announced Thursday, the UK will not pay association fees for the time it was excluded from the arrangement, the British government said. It will begin paying into Horizon from January 2024. Britain is also talking up a new automatic clawback, which the government said means the UK will be compensated should UK scientists receive significantly less money than the UK puts into the programme. The European Commission said that the agreement remains fully in line with the two sides' post-Brexit trade deal known as the EU-UK Trade and Cooperation Agreement. The UK will be required to contribute financially to the EU budget and is subject to all safeguards of the Trade and Cooperation Agreement, the Commission said. Overall, it is estimated that the UK will contribute almost €2.6 billion per year on average for its participation to both Horizon Europe and the Copernicus component of the space programme. The deal is being seen as another reset moment for the relations between the UK and the EU. Nathalie Louiseau, French MEP and one of the leaders of the UK-EU Parliamentary Partnership Assembly, said that the deal was a sign of a climate of restored trust. The science community expressed immense relief that the deal was finally over the line. Sir Adrian Smith, President of the Royal Society, described the announcement as fantastic news, not just for the UK but for the scientists across the EU and for all the people of Europe. The agreement will need to be ratified by member states. One diplomat warned that they would scrutinize the details to ensure there had been no deviation from the original deal. The UK was locked out of the Horizon programme for 3 years after a tit-for-tat row over the Northern Ireland Brexit trading arrangements. Lord Frost negotiated an associate membership available for non-EU countries in December 2020, but the deal was never ratified due to the dispute over Northern Ireland.